Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a great day. Have you ever wondered what Clifford the big red dog was like when he was a puppy? Well, you're about to find out. Today we're going to read Clifford the small red puppy. Look how little and tiny and cute he is. So I guess he wasn't always the biggest dog in town. Let's find out. Clifford the Small Red Puppy. The story and the pictures, so the author and illustrator is Norman Bridwell. Look how little. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth. This is Clifford, my big red dog. He's a big dog. I thought he was a big dog. Not compared to Clifford. Yesterday, my friend Martha said, I got my dog from a fancy pet store. Where did you get yours? So I told her how I got Clifford. When I was little, I lived in the city and I didn't have a dog. One day, the man who lived down the hall called us. His dog had puppies, and he wanted to give me one. Wow, that's nice of him. One puppy was a lot smaller than the rest. The man said, don't take him. He's the runt. He will always be small and sick. You know what the runt is? The runt of a litter of dogs or cats means that it's the smallest one, and a lot of times they're kind of sickly, but not always. I loved that little puppy, though. He needed me. He's so cute and little. But the runt of a litter is not always small and sickly, but sometimes they are, but I don't think so in this case. I named my puppy Clifford. He was so tiny that I had to feed him with the doll's baby bottle. I got the smallest collar that I could find for Clifford. But it was still too big. When he began to eat dog food, we had to watch him all the time. Oh no! He was even so little that he kept getting lost, even in our small apartment. Look. Arf! Looks like he's in Daddy's shoe. Daddy said Clifford was just too small. He didn't think that he could live through the winter. I was very sad. That night, I told Clifford that I wished he would grow to be a big, healthy dog. And I told him that I loved him. The next morning, he looked a little bigger to me. He seemed to have an easier time eating his dog food, and his collar wasn't so loose. In fact, by the time Daddy got home, his collar was too small. Oh, he's starting to grow. By bedtime, Clifford's tiny basket was too small for him, so I let him sleep on my pillow again. That was a mistake. He's taking up the whole bed. Next morning, Mommy thought Clifford looked different, and Daddy said, I think he's growing. I think so too. Look how big he is. He was so teeny tiny, and now he's growing big and strong. I decided to take Clifford for a walk. At the corner, I saw a big dog coming. I knew I should pick Clifford up so the big dog couldn't hurt him, but I shouldn't have worried. Clifford really was growing, so we ran home to show Mommy how big he was getting. Had our apartment door grown smaller? Daddy couldn't believe it. We put Clifford in the garden to sleep that night, and in the morning, the lady upstairs called us. It was about Clifford. He's getting really big. In fact, all the neighbors were starting to notice him. The landlord called the police, and they came to see Clifford, and they said Clifford would have to go. But how? He couldn't even get through the door. He was so big he couldn't even fit in the house. I was very sad. I missed my little puppy, and he missed me. One day, we got a surprise. My uncle wanted Daddy to come work with him in the country. We moved right away, and Clifford was waiting for me. I said, Clifford, stop growing. You're just right. So, I said to Martha, that's how I got my dog. Tell me again how you got your dog? Martha said, forget it. And that is how Clifford, the small red puppy, grew up to be Clifford, the big red dog. That was a great story. It's nice to find out how one of our favorite characters started out. Clifford was a character in our story. Remember, a character is somebody who's in the story. Let's think of another character. Somebody who's in the story. We have Clifford. What's another character? Emily Elizabeth is a character. She's somebody in our story. That's right. What's another character? What about her mommy? Yeah, maybe her daddy. There's a few other characters too. I want you to find a story at your house and then see if you can find characters in the story. All right. Well, I hope everybody's having a great day, and I will see you again soon. Love you. Bye.